And hello guys, welcome to the Microsoft Excel Academy School. Today we will talk about a little more about working environment in Microsoft Excel. At the bottom of the screen, this green field is what we call status bar. At the right of the status bar, at the right we have view icons for views. First icon is normal view, second icon is page layout, and third icon is page break preview. We can access to these icons or these options via view tab, and at the left we can see also normal, page break preview, and page layout. These three buttons change the look of your workbook. Also, if we right click on the status bar, we can see the various lot of options here, and this grid, also this grid here, is what we call Excel workbook. All data will be put in this field. For example, we can put here some numbers, and you can see at the bottom of the Excel workbook, this is the first tab. It's called sheet 1. Here we have one plus sign, and if we click on this plus sign, we open the new sheet inside the Excel workbook. It's the same Excel workbook, but you see we got a new blank workbook. Also, we can enter some data here, and if we click again, we open a new sheet. It's blank. If we go back to sheet 2, you see their data is still here. If we go back to sheet 1, also the data we entered is still here. With this plus button, you can add new sheets to workbook. About I think it's about 255 sheets, and some newer versions of Excel are based on memory of computer. And if you add new sheet, they're exactly the same at this point. This grid, let's go back to the blank workbook. This grid it consists of columns. This is column A, B, C, and etc. And we have columns and rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, and etc. And if we click, for example, here, this is the cell. Each field we call the cell, and this cell is named C3. We can see that at the name box. If we click somewhere else, it is E9. If we click here, C2, D2, D3. All that we can see very quick at the name box. And that is all for today's lesson.